So guys, here you see it, one more solving video has been came on the channel of the LeetCode camp, and in today's video we are solving our 407 question by the name of trapping rainwater 2. So yeah, in today's video we are solving this question, and please like this video, share your friends, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to all the notification bell also, so you never miss about these type of videos on this channel. Without any taking our time, let's move toward onto the big screen and let's talk about trapping a rainwater 2. Okay, so let's move toward onto the big screen and let's do a coding with laughing. So guys, let's start to solve our this 407 question by the name of trapping rainwater 2. And there's a hard one, and there's a last one in the weekly contest 6. This is the last one which we are solving, okay, in today's video. So let's start to solve it. So this is a hard one, so I think so the video will be bigger than our previous videos. So let's copy this all the things, then we will be understanding it carefully as, and copy it and then paste it into the Word. Let me open the Word, and then it is opening. Then when it has been opened, I will be pasted here. So let's read the question carefully as then we will be solve it. So it is given an m, x, n integer matrix height map and representing the height of each unit cell in a 2D elevation map. Then return the volume of a water it can trap after raining. So these are tasks which I have highlighted. These are tasks for us. It is giving it, the task is we want to return the volume of a water it can trap after raining. So this is a task, and let's see the example. This diagram it has been given me in which there are some box has been built it, and the some box 3 box color is in the blue color, and all the box are in the white color, and only 3 box are in the blue color. This is a diagram, and let's see the input. In this input he create a one integer by the name of height map, in which he write 1 4 3 1 2 3 2 2 3 2 1 3 2 4 2 3 3 2 3 1, and the output will become 4. Why? Because after the rain water is trapped between the blocks. We have 2 small ponds 1 and 3 units trapped. The total volume of water is trapped is 4. So that's why in our first case the output will become 4, and this is the blocks, not a box. These are the blocks. Here you can see it. These are the blocks, and in this box there is here the rainwater is trapped between the blocks. Here you can see it, and we have 2 small ponds 1 and 3 units trapped. Okay, here you can see 1 and 3 units, 1 till 3 units has been trapped. The total volume of water trap is 4. Here you can see, let me make a circle on it here. I hope you will be see it. Let me give the right color to it, and then font. Here you can see it, first, then second, then third. Now in our case 2, this is one block it has been built it. In the in the 9 blocks there is the rainwater has been trapped. Here you can see it. In first 3 blocks there is a rainwater has been trapped. In the second, third 3 blocks there is a rainwater has been trapped, and the third blocks that rainwater has been trapped. Here you can see it. Let me make a one circle on it. Sorry, not circle, rectangle. I mean, let me do this, and let me. Okay, it not be able to. Let me erase it and let me make the circle on it here. Here you can see it. First, no fill, and then red, and then font. Where you can see it. 1 2 3, then 4, then 5, then 6, then 7, then 8, then 9. Here you can see it. In the 9 box there is a water has been trapped of a rainwater, in which he create a one height map in which he write 3 3 3 3 3 3 2 2 2 2 3 3 2 1 2 3 and 3 2 2 2 3 and 3 3 3 3 3, and the output will become 10. In our case 2, the output will become 10. Why? Because there is a water has been trapped in the 9 lines. In the 9 blocks there water has been trapped, and it is giving me the one, increasing with the one number, it is giving me the output 10. And here the water has been trapped in 3 blocks, but it is giving me the 4 here also. It is increasing only one number. So these are the constraints which we use to solve this question. So I have understood the question what he is trying to say. So let's try to solve it. So first of all, let me full screen it, and then we do not need to understand the question one more time because we understand it already. So first of all, you write m comma n equals to length height map. So I am finding the length of a height map. Why I am finding a length of a height map? Because it is in the input. Here he used the height map, so that's why I'm writing here height map. You do not write anything else here, okay? You only want to write height map, and m should be capital of the height map. Then comma one more time, length height map, and then m should be in capital, then square bracket 0. So we are index 0 in the height map which has index 0 printed, okay? We are doing this. Then I am writing a one visited, in which I write square bracket 2 times, and I am writing the false. I am writing a boolean, okay, false, and then multiply by n, then for, and this multiply is a one arithmetic operator we don't know, okay? Then I am writing in yeah, I am using the in keyword, then range keyword, then n, enter. Then when we do this all the thing, we write pq equals to square bracket, enter. So here I set the boundary elements as visited. In this line I want to do this, okay, for I in range m semicolon. So in this line I'm set the boundary elements as visited for j in range n. I'm using the for loop many times, okay? So now when I use the for loop, so now I use the if statement, if equals I equals to 0, then or I equals to m minus 1, or j equals to 0, or j equals to n minus 1, then semicolon. Perfect. When we write it down it, so I write heap q, then dot heap push, then pq, then comma, rounded brackets, height map I comma j, then comma I comma j. Perfect. When we wrote it down it, so now I press backspace. So backspace, press backspace till you not come it in here, okay? Backspace. Now write your directions, and in the direction you write first of all square bracket, then rounded bracket, in which you write 0 comma 1, then comma, then one more time rounded bracket, 0 comma minus 1, then comma, then write here 1 comma 0, then comma, then write here minus 1 comma 0. Perfect. When we written down that all the thing, you only want to do it, press enter, define here water volume, because the main topic of this question is on the water. So I am writing water underscore volume equals to 0. When I wrote it down it, so I am pressing here enter and then enter. So then I want to remove this, and then here press enter. So now here I am applying, now in the below lines I applying the BFS traversal. So first of all I use the while loop, in which I write PQ semicolon CV comma CR comma CC equals to heap Q dot heap pop, then PQ, and then here I press enter. Then in this line, in the above line, I am applying the BFS traversal. So in this line I am visiting the adjacent elements adjacent elements of current element. In that line we are doing this. So for dr comma dc in directions, then semicolon one more time, enter. Sorry, semicolon, now press enter, because if you make a for loop, so in the end you must write the semicolon. If you do not write, so it will give you the error. nr nc equal to cr plus dr comma cc plus dc. Now enter press. So now in this line I am checking if the element is within row comma column and not visited. Now perfect. So I write if 0 less than equals to nr less than m and 0 less than equals to nc less than n, then n not visited nr, and then nc. Now semicolon. Now in this line, now in this 31 line, I am checking if the element is within the row or column and not visited. So in the below line, I am found the volume of water it can trap after raining. Now enter if statement cv equals to minus height map nr nc greater than 0, then semicolon. Now when we enter press, write here water, because like I've told you, the water is the main topic of this video. Water equals to plus equal to cv slash height map. Then this is a hard one, so that's why I'm writing many codes. If it is an easy one, so I do not write many codes. Okay, then enter press, write heap q dot heap push, then pq comma cv comma nr comma nc. Perfect. Backspace else statement we want to use here. Else statement, then heap q. When we write here heap q, we only want to write heap dot heap push and push p, so become double times. Then written down here pq. Okay, we remove this. Now pq comma height map, and then nr nc comma nr comma nc. Perfect. And then define here visited nr nc equals to true. We use the boolean here, and then enter press, backspace, right here return water volume. Now here we return our output. Then do this as a comment, or you want to remove it, so remove. So when you do this, so now let's recheck our this question, because this is a hard one, so there must be error in our codes. So let's recheck. So let's run it, and now when I run this code, so I must okay, too many values to unpack in this line. Okay, heap q, heap pop, heap push. Let's run it now. Okay, in this line it is giving me the error. So let's see the error. Here we write all the things perfectly. Okay, here we write heap pop or heap push. So let me see that. Heap pop, then heap pop, heap q, cv cr, then cc equals to heap q dot heap pop, then pq. Here we write heap q equals to cv cr, then cc dc dr, then cr, then nr, then nc, CV and CR. In our CV and CR, there is an error. So let's see this. Let me remove this down things. Okay, these are the down things. I'm removing it. Now let me see the error now. Heap pop, heap PQ. Here. Define it semicolon one more time. Now run it. So here it is giving me the error. Okay, and the heap queued is giving me the error. So let me press the Control Z. So let's rewind it and let's see the error of this code. Let me rewind it. Where it is? Okay, here it is. Now let's see it. So here now it has been accepted. What is the error? You only want to do it backspace, then one more time rounded brackets, then it will be accepted. Then submit it and let's see the submission code. When we submit this code, so then it has been accepted. Okay, we come in the very low section. Why? Because we use a 111 milliseconds and we also run it many times, so that's why we come in the down. Okay, so but anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video in which we solved our training rainwater 2 question, 407 question. So go on to my profile. My profile name is Rayyan. So go on my profile and see my profile. Okay, and view my profile. So but anyways, let me meet you in the next lesson, next for your amazing class like that type of solving videos. So for today, goodbye.